This is the EPCB boiler manufacturing base, a 2-ton biomass-fired steam boiler system destined for use in Indonesia's chemical industry, is currently being loaded for shipment. This project will serve a local adhesive tape manufacturing enterprise, providing the client with a stable, efficient, and energy-saving steam supply solution. As the core of the entire system, the FCB biomass steam boiler features a single drum, longitudinal layout structural design. Its optimized furnace structure and heating surface layout effectively enhance thermal efficiency and fuel utilization. The boiler operates with exceptional stability, delivering a continuous steam output capable of meeting the demands for long-duration, continuous production typical of the chemical industry. The boiler is equipped with an intelligent PLC electrical control system, enabling smarter operation. This effectively reduces the intensity of manual labor required and enhances overall operational stability. The automatic ash removal system promptly discharges ash and slag generated during combustion, thereby reducing the workload associated with manual cleaning. A high-quality reducer provides stable power output to the grate system, ensuring the stable and reliable operation of both fuel conveyance and grate movement. By recovering residual heat from the flue gas to preheat the boiler feedwater, the economizer effectively lowers the temperature of the exhaust gas. The multi-tube dust collector effectively separates large dust particles from the flue gas, significantly improving the efficiency of flue gas purification. The cyclone dust collection system further enhances the separation of particulate matter from the flue gas. Through this multi-stage dust collection configuration, we help our clients meet increasingly stringent environmental emission standards. A comprehensive water treatment system effectively reduces impurities and hardness in the water supply, extending the boiler's service life and ensuring the long-term, stable operation of the entire steam system. The high-strength chimney system features a high-temperature resistant and corrosion-resistant design, providing a reliable exhaust channel for the entire boiler system. From the main boiler body to the auxiliary equipment systems, EPCB maintains strict control over every detail of production and shipment. Professional packaging, scientifically planned loading, and a comprehensive logistics strategy ensure the safe and efficient delivery of the equipment to the client's site. EPCB Boiler, technology-based enterprise, quality-driven globalization.